Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve class 1 IGKO set B 2018. Okay, so let's move on to see the first section, which is general awareness. Which of the following is an incorrect match? So let's see. Here we have feet for socks, neck for necklace, wrist for wristwatch, and eyes for hairband. So it is not the right one, that's why it is the correct option for this question. Let's see the second question. Some cities of India were earlier known as some other names. What is the old name of Chennai? So if you are well known to it, it is known as Madras. Kolkata is known as Calcutta, and Cochin is Andhra. So this is it. Let's see the third question. Which of the following runs on electricity? So bicycle doesn't need electricity, block cart also doesn't need it, bus also doesn't need it. So only thing which needs electricity is refrigerator. Monkeys can jump and climb trees. Giraffes are tall and they eat leaves. Parrots are colorful and they can dash. So what can parrots do? Let's see the option. They can fly because they are birds. Find the missing figure in the given figure pattern. So if you see, a triangle is repeated after every 3 figures. So each figure is being repeated after each 3 figure. So if you follow the pattern, then here we have the 3 figures and the next one will be this purple square. So the option will be B for fifth question. What is it? Like here we have a Statue of Liberty located in the figure. So where it is? So tell me friends, where it is? It is in New York City. Question number 7. You do not have this, but a dog has one, which it wags to show that it is happy. So what is it? So it is a tail. Dogs have tail. Identify the famous personalities shown in the figure. So he was also the first PM of our country. Who was it? Jawaharlal Nehru. Identify the fruit shown in the picture. So it is found in summer season and known as lychee. Okay, the next summer Olympics will take place in, so the next summer Olympics will take place in 2020. Like they have to take place since it is a question of 2018, so they have to take the summer Olympics have to take place in 2020, but due to this pandemic it has postponed and shifted till the next condition of this pandemic. Like if it is okay, then it will happen or it will get postponed. So it was right like that, and it happens after every 2 years. The main Olympic after every 4 year, and summer and winter are after happens after every 2 year. Which of the following machines can be used to play music? So let's see what we have here. It is a toaster, washing machine, and then an oven. So which the only option which we can use is this monitor, like computer, where there is a section for playing music also. Let's see the question number 12, what it says. Name the cartoon character shown in the given picture. So if you are well known to this, if you watch Tom and Jerry, then you must be well known to these characters. They are Tom and Jerry. Option B. Give a group name for the following set of words: hammer, plier, screwdriver, and nail. What are these? So these are basically tools used for hardware works. Which image is related to the game Polo? So if you have ever played it, then you must be known to it, and if you don't, then let's eliminate the option. This is basketball, this is hockey, okay, and then the third one is billiards, and the fourth one is polo. Okay, next, 15th question. A group of crocodile is called what? Float. So select the correct match: butterfly, silkworm, kangaroo, kid, elephant, cub, frog, tadpole. So which is the correct match? So if you are well known, if you know about it, then it is good. Like frog's baby is known as tadpole. Okay, and one more thing, friends, like you have to mention in the comment section that whose group is known as army. Okay, next, identify the famous Bollywood character. So here it is, and if you watch a bit of movies, then you must know the name. He is Amitabh Bachchan, the most senior actor right now working in the industry, one of the most senior. Okay, unscramble the jumble words or jumble letters here. So what will be it? And it means a group of fishes. So if you know about it, it is shoal. Okay, next, see the 19th number question. To which game this sports woman is related to? So let me tell you about it. Like it is Sania Mirza, and she plays lawn tennis. Right now she is the only well-known female player from India who plays lawn tennis. Okay, church is a place where mostly dash worship. So church is a worship place of Christians. Who among the following, like it is the current affairs section, dear friends, so let's see it. Who among the following is the Prime Minister of India? So you know about it, Narendra Modi. Which of the following is not said under the brand name shown in the picture? So if you have ever wear the shoes or sports jerseys of Nike, then they have a logo which is just do it. Okay, so not and this is a sports brand, like they sold jerseys, shoes and all. So let's see what is it. Shoes, belts and clothes, they are the merchandise sponsored by Nike, but they don't sell chocolates. So the correct option for this 22nd question is A. Who is the Vice President of India? So Vice President is Venkaiah Naidu. The former Vice President was Hamid Ansari. So remember the name also, Hamid Ansari. Okay. FIFA World Cup 2018 is held in which country? So it is held in Russia, and the winners are France. Next, Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom is movie based on. So if you have watched any of this series, you must be known that whole sum of the movie is only based on dinosaurs. So the option will be B. Now let's see the life skill section. Which of these are not correct table manner? Eat the food quietly. Yes, it is a good manner. Say excuse me before leaving the dinner table. It is also a good one. Chew with your mouth closed. It is also a good manner. Rest elbow on the table while eating. No, it is not a good manner. Which of the following activities should you do before going to the bed at night? So let's see. Keep your books and pencils and notebooks in the school bag. Is it a good manner? Yes. Polish your shoes. Yes, it is also a good manner. Keep your school uniform ready. It is also a good manner. Like all the three are good, so we will go with the D option, all these. Let's see the 28th question. You should always wash your hands before you sit down. To what? So to eat, because without washing hands it can be an open invitation for the germs to enter in our mouth and then the inner body. So we always wash hands. When we listen to our teacher, we are showing dash our to them, so our respect to them. Select the correct match. A good friend will always be ready to help you. It is a correct match. Okay, so we will go with this option A. Let's see the achievers section now. Okay, the 31st question. The name of which of the following flower is not found in the word creed? Okay, so let's see. So let's see which of the name is not given in the creed. So the first one is, if you see, the first flower is lotus, then the second one is lily, this is China rose, and then this is daisy. So let's match it. Here we have the China rose, then the lily is, where is the lily? Can you see it, guys? Like, let's erase it a bit and then you will be able to find where it is. After China rose we have to find the lily, which is here. Okay, and then is there any daisy or lotus? So if you see here we have the daisy. Since we have find the daisy one, then we can end the process of searching and go with option A, because lotus is not here. Because all the three are here, then there must be chance that lotus is not here. Let's go with the option, the 32nd question in front of us. Read the given statement and identify the monuments they are located. This is located in Delhi and made up of red stone. So the only monument which is made up of red stone in Delhi is Red Fort. Okay, this is located in Agra and made up of marble. So the Taj Mahal, most renowned monument made up of white marbles, is in Agra. So we can go with it. Now let's see which of the option satisfies the demand of the question. So option C will be the correct here. Let's see the 23rd question here in front of us. So 33rd question says that unscramble the word and then unscramble the jumbled words given in column 1 and match them with their images. So here let's see and unscramble it first. So it is monitor, then this is what, let's say this is monitor, and monitor can be easily matched with second number. So if you see option A, then A2 is given, none of the rest have a match with 2, so we can go with option A. You always have to look forward to the options given in front of you, because there are many chances or many a times you will not get the exact answer. So if you found any of the match, then go with the searching of options. If you are lucky, then you will get the right answer on first match only. Like in this section we get it. Now let's talk about the 34th question. Which of the following options shows the correct amount of money as the cost of this car is given? So it is 275 rupees. Okay, so let's see. Do we have here, it is a 200 rupee note, then plus 100 rupee plus 5 rupee note, which sums up to 305 rupees. Then in option B, 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 5, which is equal to 255. Then we have on the option C, 200 plus 50 plus 20 plus 5. If you sum up all the four, then you will get the exact value, which is equal to 275. So option C will be the right answer for 34th question. Let's talk about the last question of this segment, 35th question. Okay, so let's drag the screen a bit above so that we can get it easily. Yes. Which of the following correct match of the sound it related to the picture? So let's see what will be it. So the sound of clock will be tick tock tick tock. Then what will be, okay, it is not like that tick tock tick tock. You have to see that which is matchable. Like this sound is not tick tock tick tock, the cracker sounds like bang, and this will be that. So this, both of these options are zigzagged. The only option which is correctly matched in front of it is slurp, like it is a kind of ship sound. You often have tried it while drinking cold drink or coffees or cold coffees or any kind of drink. So it is option B which is correctly matched with the sound. So if you see, we have successfully solved the question paper of set B 2018 IGKO class 1. If you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more videos like this. If you are willing to join our paid courses, then please mention in the comment box. We will contact you after that. Thank you.